Drummer Gerry Conway has died aged 76, with Cat Stevens leading tributes to the rock musician. The English folk and rock star died on March 29, leaving his bandmates and friends devastated. The star previously performed with the backing band for Cat Stevens in the 1970s and with Jethro Tull during the 1980s. He was then a member of Fairport Convention between 1998 and 2022, before leaving the group after being diagnosed with motor neurone disease 2 years ago. Wild World singer Cat Stevens led the tributes to his former bandmate and close friend Gerry. He wrote, "Sadly, my great old drummer, Gerry Conway, just passed away. What a lad, and what ingenuity and style. May God grant him the beautiful reward of peace everlasting." While on Fairport's website, the band released a tribute in memory of our dear friend and former drummer. They wrote, "He brought to the band an impeccable understanding of feel and comradeship, a unique sense of subtlety and a complete understanding of what was required. His name spread far and wide and was the envy of his peers." Fairport Convention's thoughts and condolences are with Gerry's partner Jackie and the family. Simon Nicol also remembered his dearest drumming pal, writing, "Wonderfully patient and wise, infuriatingly tardy but always ready and eager to play, and blessed with his own inner calm and solidity. I'm going to miss him more than I can say." Gerry, who was born in Norfolk and brought up in London, formed a collection with Trevor Lucas in 1968 and also went on to become a member of Fotheringay, Sandy Denny's post-Fairport group. In the 1980s, Gerry played with Richard Thompson, Jethro Tull and Pentangle, which his wife, singer Jackie McShee, is known for performing with. The pair were also both successful session musicians, with Gerry playing the drums on albums by the likes of Ian Matthews, Mike McGear, Sheila MacDonald, John Cale and Steely Span. Gerry is survived by his wife Jackie and their family.